Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve this particular indices problem, which is 100 raised to x equals to 5 upon x. So now let's take, what we'll first do is we'll shift all the variables on one side. Okay. So you had 100 raised to x. So let's take the x root or multiply the index by 1 upon x. So this becomes 1 upon x. So this is now coming out to be what? 10, 100. So that is just what the x's are cancelling, right? So 100 can now be written as what? 10 square. Here I have 5 upon x into 1 upon x. Now after this you get stuck. But remember that if you have a variable raised to variable situation, make sure your constant on the other side looks like constant raised to the same power. Okay, so then from here I can say value of x is nothing but just that constant. So here, in order to make this 10 raised to 2 as nothing but what, now this 2 can be written as what? 10. How? I can multiply both sides by 5, or rather you take the fifth power on both these sides. So when I do this, this becomes what? 10 raised to 2, the whole raised to 5 gets you what? 10. Okay, and this becomes 5 upon x, the whole raised to 1 upon x, 6 into 5 gets you 5 upon x, right? So now I can say therefore 10 is equals to 5 upon x. So therefore just put, switch the places. So you will have x equals to 5 upon 10, therefore that becomes just 1 upon 2. Now for those, let's try and figure this out. So this is what? 1 upon 2. So 100 raised to 1 upon 2. That is nothing but what? 100 raised to 1 upon 2. That is nothing but square root of 100. That gets you 10. Okay. And in your RHS, that becomes what? 5 upon 1 upon 2. That gets you nothing but what? 5 into 2. That gets you 10. Right, so now I can say both the RHS and LHS are satisfying for this particular value of x, that is nothing but just 1 upon 2. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.